to Tandem on station. And I'm Val. This was week 3, and you had a breakthrough week, so nice job. We're going to review the things that we did that were new this week, although we did a lot of review. So we,
I'd like an easy, let's end, I would like an easy entrance into Tandem. So we have this.
5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
In Tandem. We've had all the way around turn. So you already know quarter turn. This one goes all the way around. And cracker, down and kick.
Step, rock.
Then we've had push away. So give yourself a basic with rock step.